Welcome to my lecture. Today we are going to discuss a just math problem and level of the grade 4 and where you have to find the percent when you divide it by 12. So let's start with this. The question is that if the smallest 5-digit number formed using digit 7, 6, 5, 0, each digit must appear at least once, and the number you form is divisible by 12. Then find the quotient of that division. So we have given 4 digits, but question is that you have to make a 5-digit number, and that is the smallest 5-digit number, which is divisible by 12. Let's see how we can solve this problem. So given digits are 7, 6, 5, and 0. Given conditions are, first is that 5-digit smallest number. So smallest number from the given digit, we have to start with the smallest. So smallest is 0. 0 cannot start with 0. And therefore, the next smallest number is 5. So the first portion is filled by 5. Then next could be any number, which is depending on the divisions by 12. But division by the 12 is depend on the last 2-digit number. So therefore, we can say that 0 will be possibly the next digit. So it will look like this 5, 0. Now our task is to fill these 3 parts. Okay. So for that, we'll try to see other given conditions and requirements. So it's given that the constructed number will be divisible by 12. So that much that it must that number is divisible by both 3 and 4. So now we know that a number is divisible by 3 if sum of the digit is divisible by 3. So till now we have 4 digits. Out of the 5 digits, we have the 4 digits. So let's take that 4 digit and we got it 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 0 is equal to 18. So this is divisible by 3. Now we need to search that what is the possible digit which will be repeated. From this 4 digit, 4 will repeat. So now it is 18 already divisible by 3. Therefore, we have to choose the digit among these. We add with 18, that new number will be also divisible by 3. So therefore, the possible digit that repeat is either 0 or 6. Because if we add 0, then it will be also 18. So this is divisible by 3. And if it is add with 6, then 24, which is divisible by 3. So therefore, the possible combination of the digit are 76500 and 76506. So therefore, the remaining part will be fixed by either 760 or 766. So we'll see that how we can decide about. Okay, so let's start with the combination 76500. Already 50 is used, rest out in pins. So it says that the number is divisible by 4. So therefore, last 2 digit divisible by 4. So this 2 digit should be divisible by 4. Now we left with 7, 6, and 0. So it is 7 cannot be the last digit because it's become an odd number that cannot be divisible by 4. So therefore, among 6 and 0 will be the last digit. So let's start with 0 is the last digit. It's the case 1, last digit is 0. So we fill this. Now since this number, last 2-digit number will be divisible by 4, so we left with 7 and 6. If we take 7, it will become 70, which is not divisible by 4. So therefore, this must be 6. So 60 is divisible by 4. So therefore, this number will be divisible by 4. So therefore, we left with 7. So therefore, this will be by 7. So therefore, the first possibility of 5-digit number is 50766. Now we come to the case 2, and here last digit is 6. So we fill it, the last digit is 6. Now we left with 7 and 0. Now if this digit is second last digit is 0, then last 2 digits will be 0, 6, which is not divisible by 4. So therefore, we must have this second last digit is 7. Now it is 76 divisible by 4. So therefore, this is 0. So 5-digit number will be 50076. Now take the another combinations. Here 76506. So 50 is already used. So now we have 766. So if 66 is the last digit, it is not divisible by. So 76 would be the last 2 digit. And then we will have this combination 50676. So we have now 3 combinations: 50760, 500076, 50676. So among these, the smallest one is this. So therefore, our desired number is 50076. Now we have to check that it is divisible by 12. Surely it will be divisible by 12. And what is the percent for that division? So we have our number here, 5-digit number, and we need to check it that it is divisible by 12, and then what is the. So we start the division as usual process. So 12 divided 50076. So 50 is there, so it will be 4. And then you have 48. Then you do it, this is 2, and then 0 will come down. So you will have here 20. So 20, 12 is 1. And then you will get it here 12. So remaining is 8. And then 7 will come down, 87. So 87 is 12 is 7, so 84. And then 87 minus 84 is 3. And then 6 came down, so it is 36. So 36 is by 3, so it will be 3. So therefore, the final answer is that 417 is in the question. That's all.